recapitulate what APGP is, okay, just so that Niladri can view it later. So Niladri, this is for you, APGP detailed explanation. So AP means arithmetic progression, you know. So AP means that when a series which has a common difference. Okay, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, okay, 9, 11, dot dot dot. Okay, this is called an AP series, right? So there is a common difference. Okay, so when so if an AP series is given, then what is the nth term of an AP series, or what is the rth term of an AP series? Tell me the formula, Shritama. What is the formula for rth term of an AP series? Shritama? Hello? Oma? Oma, acho?
Uh,
Hmm.
Hello, sir.
হ্যাঁ,
A plus R minus 1 into D.
এটা তোমার মুখস্থ আছে না দিয়ে দেখে বললে?
দেখে বললাম।
কবে মুখস্থ করবে বলো?
পরে না।
A plus R minus 1D. Now, sum of n terms of an AP. So, sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1D. Okay, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Right? Now comes GP. So, GP is what? GP is, okay, before starting with GP, if it is given that 3 terms are in AP, if it is given that 3 terms are in AP, so what are the 3 terms? A minus D, A plus D. If it is given 3 terms are in AP, then A minus D, A and A plus D. If it is given that 4 terms are in AP, then A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Right? Now comes GP. So GP is what? GP is a series which has a common ratio. Dot dot dot. So what is the formula for rth term of a GP? Shritama, what is the formula for rth term of a GP?
স্যার আমায় বলছেন আর
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ শ্রীতমা বলো।
R into N, না R in, sorry, A into R N minus 1. A
A into
into R
R
to the power N minus 1.
n minus 1, তাই তো? A into R to the power n minus 1, right? Sum of n terms of a GP কি হবে?
A R to the power N minus 1 by R minus 1.
Right. Sum of infinite GP series.
A by R minus 1.
So A by R minus 1 if R is greater than 1, if R is less than 1, so 1 minus R, okay? So both of these formulas will change into 1 minus R to the power n and 1 minus R, okay, if R is greater than 1 or less than 1. Okay. Let's start this sum. Okay, before that, if it is given that three terms are in GP, then what should I take? A by R, A and AR. Three terms are in GP means A by R, A and AR, right? Okay. Try out this sum. Please try out this sum.
One zero nine eight.
Right. Right answer. Shutama, did you get?
স্যার 2 মিনিট।
এরে তুমি কি ম্যাগি বানাতে যাচ্ছ নাকি?
হ্যাঁ,
তুমি কি ম্যাগি বানাতে যাচ্ছ নাকি?
না স্যার 1.1।
start, okay, because anyways Niladri will be needing it. The first and last terms of an AP is 113 and 253. So A is 113 and the last term, that is Tn, is 253.
1098.
Very good, very good. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. So what is Tn? Tn is 253. That is equal to first term is 113 plus, okay, and it is given that sixth term. So that means this is the sixth term. So 5d. So what is this? 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are. D is 28. Okay. Now find the sum of the sequence. So n by 2 into 2a okay, 1098. Let's move on to the next one. Please try this out. Please try out that sum, and we will start with past year sums as well. also I just forgot to tell you one more concept. Okay, maybe I told you earlier, so focus on this thing. If it is given that rth, if it is given that rth term from the last, rth term from the last of any series, AP series or GP series, rth term from the last is n minus r plus 1th term from the first. Okay, so rth term from the last is n minus r plus 1th term from the first. Always remember this, rth term from the last is n minus r plus 1th term from the first. Okay, rth term from the last is n minus r plus 1th term from the first. Okay, rth term from the last is equals to n minus r plus 1th term from the first. Okay, okay, do this sum. Okay, let me do this, because this is a sum of an infinite GP series. So you see, we just did it over here. This sum of an infinite GP series. Okay, this formula we have to use. So sum of an infinite GP series is A divided by 1 minus r or r minus 1. So let me make it 1 minus r. The sum of an infinite GP series common ratio is positive and is numerically less than 1. So it is given numerically less than 1. So that is why I made 1 minus r. Okay. So what is the sum? 36. Okay. And the sum of the, and that is equals to A divided by 1 minus r. So that is 36 minus 36 r is equals to A. And the sum of the first two terms, that is A plus AR, these are the first two terms, and the sum of the first two terms is 32. That is A divided by 1 plus R is 32. So that is 36 minus 36 R. 1 plus R is equal to 32. That is A square minus B square. So R is equal to 2 by 36. R will be 2 by 36, it cannot be plus minus. Why it cannot be minus? Because it is given that common which is positive. So R is 2 by 36, that is 1 by 18. Sorry. 2 by 6. Okay, 1 by 3. What will be the third term? Fine. Third term is going to be R square. Okay, now the question is that what is A? I need to find out A. So let me pull up this equation again. So A is equals to 36 minus 36 into 1 by 3. That is A is 24. Okay, A is 24. Now what will be the third term? The third term is going to be AR square. Okay, that is 3 3 is 9. 8 by 3. Did you understand this? Shwetama, Ritama?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. So this was an application of infinite GP series actually. So I chose this sum. Please copy this and we'll start with the cat past here.